most people I run into, and actually I get just a whole lot of emails and requests because of my prop background. I still to this day, now my prop shops have been closed since 2012, maybe 10 years. I'm still in contact with those traders and what's left of them. And I still get emails. I've received literally a couple thousand emails since I came online asking me if there's a way that they can trade my money, not a funded account, trader account, but actual prop, right? So that there's at-risk money on my side. So I'm really surprised by the no's, but I'm actually not surprised by the no's because that kind of ties into the conversation that we're having. In order for you, I'll tell you this, I get the no's, so you're kind of, that group is kind of set aside, but the yeses, boy, oh boy, you will not have a chance unless you're someone who's willing to just dive head first. You've got to show, one of the things we would screen for is that you will swing at the market, because you don't want a trader taking up a seat accruing $2,600 a month in costs. That's what it costs to trade professionally, between your market feeds, your market data feeds, rent, a potential portion of a Bloomberg or some other tool, plus your trading platform and so on. It's like $2,600 a month. The last thing I want is to have a bunch of people costing, just by breathing in the room, costing $2,600 a month, and they're just not going to stick their neck out. You have to stick your neck out. You have to be able to take risk, and I expect you to define how you're going to do that, and I expect that when the opportunity shows itself, that you will. It is worse for me as somebody who's putting my money up. It is actually worse for me that you don't trade and don't lose money and are so shy or have stage fright. It is worse than somebody who's just doing the work, beating their head against the wall constantly, taking chances according to some process that they've defined and have lost money. I'd prefer the person who loses money but is trying, because the other person has zero chance. It's like, who was it? I don't know, Michael Jordan or something said you miss all of 100% of the shots that you don't take. I think it was Michael Jordan or maybe Kobe. I don't know.
Gretzky, wasn't it?
I have no idea.
I think it was Wayne Gretzky.
So again, I'm not going to spend the whole session talking about this, but you have to examine that. If your answer is no, you have to examine that, because the maximum amount of progress, in my opinion, comes from exposing yourself. And that's what these group mentoring sessions are intended to do. They're intended to have you come on and even come on and say, look, I have never put a trading plan together, but I trade like 15 times a day and I'm not getting anywhere. Okay, so why are you doing that? How do you expect to make money doing that? We start kind of peeling at the onion a little bit, maybe even tearing up sometimes, but it's just, you've got to do this.
If you've enjoyed this analogy, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be notified about each new Convergent Trading video.